Alright, y'all, we back. Just let y'all know if the stream crashes again, I'm getting off for the day. Just a heads up. What's up, XO? Trying to get my P&L up because I am down on the day. Ooh, I like these shorts. There we go. Man, why is it pumping so hot today? Amazing. I know, right? It's so crazy how it just taps. Literally taps and then just shoots down. Didn't give nobody a chance. Crazy market. We're gonna see if we continue to go lower though. I wanna see us go lower. Man, that's a big move. That's a big move. And ES is below the previous day high. Wow, 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 wow. Tap into that previous day high on NQ. See what we got. And I mean, that's funny how I missed that good move. It was a good move too. Had a feeling it was gonna happen. Wow, computer shuts off right when the market opens. Think those shorts gonna continue to come in. What you think, Kingdom? Let y'all know if the stream cuts out again, that's just it. I'm just gonna call it a day. I'm not even gonna force anything. If it happens again, just getting off. For some reason my computer wants to run hot today. I don't know why. But that push. There we go. Finally got it to calm down. Jeez. Alright, let's see. Look at the mark. Let me look at this. Oh, okay, we good. We good. Everything's looking good. Alright, bet. We good. Oh wow, trying to get into that short. Oh well. It's a support now. I watched 5 minute time frame and not see how it reacts there. If it wants to react under the support, I'll go in small. Let's see what happens. What's up, What's up, SP? Die, bro. That could have been a nice short, but it just moves so fast on me, and I don't want to get into no trade just like that. Support. What support you talking about? What support? You talking about this right here? This is support you talking about? Like something like this? Something like this? What support? Oh, you talking about like this? You talking about like this, right? Just confused. 30 minute. Can we tap into this 30 minute? Hey, that'd be nice. See if these shorts can come in more. Can we get a bigger rejection? How's your day going? What's up, Deontay? It's going okay. How you been, man? Damn, we getting this push. Uh-oh. Don't get hot, please. Where the blue line at? Oh, you talking about the previous day high? Yeah. So like, you know, like you say, like the previous day high. If we continue to respect this previous day high, we might reject it. Yo. Yo, this might be a crazy day. Wait a minute. Yo, wait a minute. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hey, I might have to find me a short. I'm gonna have to find me a short. I want to see these sellers get off these books though. Once I see sellers get off the print, off the tape, off the books, I'm good. I mean, once I see buyers get off the books, I'm going short. I want to see this thing just flush. I don't want to see no buyers in this market when I take this trade. We in a key level too. Everybody's trying to see if we can get that bounce back. Man, I don't like that. I'm gonna wait. And we overextended too. We so overextended though. I like the shorts though. I really do. I really, really do. We underneath it on ES. We underneath the shorts on ES. And hey, just being you. So all you can be is yourself. Bye. I think them shorts gonna come in. I might have to get into like a 1 micro or something. Go down to a smaller time frame. Nah, it's a tricky level. This is a tricky level. Actually, I'm lying. It's not a tricky level. Oh, dang. It's hard to say. You know what? I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go in light. I'm gonna go in light. I'm gonna go in light. If we can get a rejection back up, I'm going light. Wait for this 10 minute. I'm gonna wait for this 10-second. 214860. 214860. Oh, you going for that level? I like that. I want to see us pop. We might tap into this real quick. Here come buyers. Come buyers. I should have got in when I saw that play. I hesitated, y'all. I hesitated. I just don't like the volume. I don't like the fighting back on the volume. It's spooking me out. All right, we tapped that 30 minute. I want to see what happens right here. See if we can get a retracement back up to this previous day high and get a rejection. If not, then we're going to continue to go short. I just want to see what happens right here. We tap into this line right here, which I have set for ES. This might be a bounce. Let me keep looking at this this footprint. And we so extended. Bro, this would have been a good long. I mean, a good short. I'm looking for reversal at 21.486. What you see over there at that level? Is that like a 21.486? What's right here? Why 21.486? What do you see right there? Oh, this is ES. I'm tripping. What do you see right there? 21.486. Oh, okay. I mean, okay. I mean, we got so much liquidity below though. You know what? I like these shorts. I really do. I really do. I want to see if we can just get a nice nice pushback up to the highs, and I can get a rejection to the short. Cause one, I don't like how we just tapped into this 30-minute and barely even foamed around it. I want to see us continue to go short. 5-minute on ES. Can we break this line? Let's see. We're gonna see. Everybody's fighting this level right now. We're gonna see. Get these losses back. Right? Get these losses back. Damn, we continue to push. That's crazy. Amazing. A fair value gap, a order block, and an old highs. A fair value gap, an order block, and old highs. On what time frame? I don't like that. I don't like this. Man. Facts. You know what's crazy? I might have that set up too. Let's see. Let me look right here. I just want to make sure I don't get caught into no longs because we so overextended. You don't want to just hop into the shorts and you literally don't get your play. That's gonna hurt. That's gonna hurt. Because these aggressive buys can come in so fast, and then you want to get these. We want to make sure that we still got passive sellers, which we do. We still got passive sellers, but we got some aggressive buyers. Like every time I look at the tape, I see so many buyers want to keep on coming in trying to buy this market back up. I don't like that. We also have a fair value gap right here. Might bounce into that. 30-minute fair value. We got 30 minutes been pumping right now, doing this thing. 30-minute. Look at 30-minute on ES. Nope. 15-minute on ES. Got some more liquidity that lies below. Alright. What are we going to do right here is the question. What are we doing right here? Fair value gap even lower on NQ. Or even lower. Shoot, we got so much imbalance below that I wanted to fill. Even though we tapped into them highs, I'm gonna push all this over. Shoot, we might we might see a red day. You might see a red day. I'm telling you, this might be the reddest day you might see in a long time. Yo, these shorts look juicy. I ain't gonna lie to you. Bro, ooh, I want to get into them, but I don't like these buyers on this tape. I don't like it. I feel like I'm gonna get caught into some craziness. I also like the rejection off this right here. 15-minute fair value gap. Let's see. 15-minute fair value gap. Where? Would you say this? I mean, this is a nice little gap. Ooh, this is a nice little gap we can fill into. 15-minute right here. Oh, I like that. Hey, yo. If you was talking about that, good eye. That's a good rejection. For real. That's a good rejection. Let's see. See, 1 minute. Ooh. Remember these buys on this tape, so you're gonna see a lot of back and forth. Alright. Man, I wanna sell this market, but I don't wanna take that chance. I don't wanna take that risk. I wanna see it pop up on me like 100 points because everybody wants to buy. Sellers is still on the tape on the 1 minute. Sellers is stable on the tape on the 5-minute, on the 1 minute, on the 2 minute. Damn, bro, it's tricky because it's like I want to take the trade, but it looks so aggressive on both ends. Seller's still in control. Seller's still in control. What am I doing? What's that? Damn, bro, they're aggressive. Everybody just selling this market. We hit that 15-minute. There, wow, here go that pump. We hit that 15-minute. I mean that 15-minute fair value gap. 30-minute fair value gap. My bad. 30-minute fair value gap. That was a nice short, but I didn't want to take it. I didn't want to get caught in that. Quick bounce. Look at that bounce. Goodness. Nah, I didn't want to get caught in that. If we can get the respect right here, I might save it for a rejection and go short again. If it respects. Look at a higher time frame to see if we can have a higher pump. 15-minute right here. Let's look at the 30-minute. I didn't even name this right. I'm tripping. 30-minute fair value gap right here. Waiting to see if we change structure on the 1 minute. We're gonna see. This is a tricky one. I ain't gonna lie, it's a tricky one. 30-minute was a perfect bounce. Perfect bounce. Sometimes you don't see all these levels because you'll set so many damn zones that you go, oh wait, that was a zone. Hey yo, I would like to see ES tap into this but then we bouncing off this liquidity right here. This might be a bounce for real. Going in long right here for retracement. It would have been nice to catch that long off that 30-minute bounce off that fair value gap for real. It happens so fast. That's what you get a 10-point, 20-point bounce and so fast that you. I need to see development. I don't like taking quick jump bounces. I mean, I would, but man, I've been scarred so many times from taking that. Good job going in that long, Kingdom. Good job. And we overextended. I like that long too. Nice bounce. I think I'm just nervous because I got this negative 600 above my head. Or negative 700 above my head. That's probably why I'm nervous. I see it so much. I'm seeing it. That's why it's like, I don't want to just take that risk so fast. Buyers on these books. We got buyers, but hey, this is a strong point because we got a fight. It's going to be a fight between these two. I want to see a strong rejection from the Hey, I might get into this short if we respect this area. If we respect this, let me see, 15-minute. I want to see us respect this area. You looking for that change of character. I'm thinking we might get some more shorts. Nice long though. Good one. Still popping. Can these longs continue? I think the longs can continue to come in. Ooh, this is a strong area for a lot of players. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I might scalp this market. You think we're gonna fill that above? Hey, I like how you thinking. We're gonna see. Uh-oh. We gotta see. I like how you thinking. Hold it until we get to 21.45. Hold it until we get to 21.545. Hey, good job. 545. We already in there. 21.545. We tapping into that. We going long or you going short? We about to get a retracement right now, though, I think. We might feel this. If we can feel this in balance, I might go along with y'all. I'm liking this too. But then again. Ooh, this is a 5 minutes, 4 hour prints. 5 minute, 4 hour print. 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 4 hour print. Hey, yo, I might go in that long. I wanna see it get out this range though. I wanna see us get this range. If we respect that 15-minute, I might go in long. Might have to add a mini. Come on. Respect this area. Ooh, they fighting. Big time. I like that play. I missed out on it. Y'all got that. Good job. Y'all got that. I couldn't take that. I couldn't take that, bro. I couldn't take it. I couldn't take that trade. It was hard. Can we get this rejection of the 30-minute fair value gap? No, because we already extended on a 5-minute. We broke this candle. This is a tough level. You know what? Let me sit. Let me sit on hands. We got 3 minutes into this 4-hour print. I'm gonna sit on hands. I'm not gonna rush it. But good. If you got that long, good job. That was a good long. I just didn't see it. I didn't see it. I was afraid of it. Cause I just set the fair value gap. Look at that short. Jeez. Off the 30-minute fair value gap. It happened so fast, you know what I'm saying? It just happened so fast. Quick scalps. Off the 1-minute fair value gap. It already tapped into it. We off the 30-minute, man. Sell side, wait, stop loss at the lows. Dang, look at that drop. My goodness. Right back at the 30-minute. Bro, these moves are big. These are, that's like 70-point moves. Jeez. Hey, scary stuff if you're playing heavy. Scary stuff. Remember, I'm waiting for that 4-hour to print. I want to see that 4-hour print. 1-hour print. I'm gonna stay on the 15-minute rejection. See if we can get this rejection. All right, let me get down to the lower time frame. I want to see us reject. But we are in range. On the 15-minute, we are in range. I'm looking at a 5-minute. Oh yeah, this is range bound. You got your stop loss at the lows. What are you trying to add more to go long? I like how you thinking. But then at the same time, we rejected off this 30-minute perfectly on the 30-minute. Literally on the one, oh not 30-minute. We rejected off this perfectly on the 5-minute too. You gotta be careful, bro. Buyers do can come in though. You add in more, and he got to stop loss at the lows. I like that, but be careful because we got that 4-hour print, and once that 4-hour prints, that thing can whipsaw and shoot down, shoot up. Sellers are coming in. Be careful. And we are range bound. We're bouncing between zones. Man, if my computer would have shut off, I would have came and got that short. I just would have got that short, bro. I knew it would have came in. Man, that computer, why, stream? Why? All right, here come the longs, I think. I don't know. We're going to see if these buys can be in control. But remember, we are range bound, so we might move sideways. SP says, Die broke said he's adding more. And he said he got his stop at the lows was out at 21.54 and a big drop after my exit. Hey, you know, the 30 minutes. Shit, we got it. We got it set. It always do that reject. It always does that. You put the fair value gap, it taps to the fair value gap, and rejects out the fair value gap. It always does that. But the catch is, it's just, I've seen it break through that and bounce. Man, I gotta be careful because I want to see us hit bigger zones and then bounce. I'm just afraid of this, you know. This is all into this is sideways. Look at it. Look how the fight. There's a fight right now because we're about to print. Did we print already? Let me see. We just printed. All right, so we did print the 4-hour already. See, boom, 4-hour printed. Wait a minute. Ooh, hey, ooh. If we get that respect, hey, I want to see them loans come in. If we get that respect. But the thing is, we're below the previous day high. That's the catch. So we might continue to go shorter. Let me see if we can check out this. I might go short. Honestly, I might. I'm taking it. That's a tough spot. I got into a tough spot. Take off. I'm gonna take off some. This is range. I need to get out of this. This is range. I can't be fighting this. What am I doing? I'm gonna get out this trade until I get a full. I'm gonna get clarity. I need to get clarity on this. What am I doing? Because remember, we are between both ranges. We're between a 30. We are between a 30 and a 15-minute. Can we get this bounce? Can we get this bounce? Can we get this bounce? Let me look at the 5-minute. 5-minute. We broke this high on the 5-minute. Rejected, but we didn't break. We're getting a bounce on the 30-minute. Let's see. Should I take this long? Let me get the break. Once we get the break, I'll take the long. 30-minute respect. 30-minute respect on ES. 30-minute respect on that. 5-minute. Came down, tap, but are we going to tap it to this low right here? That's the question. Are we going to tap it to this 30-minute, or are we going to respect this? I think we're going to go higher. It's time for me to go long. It's time for me to go long. Come on. Push, 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 push. Look at this 5-minute. Wow. Put my stop loss below this low. Come on. Figured that was gonna happen. Come on, let's get that push. I gotta get out of this range. That's what it is. I gotta get out this range. I gotta get out this range. Cause I ain't gonna be able to see no trade if I, yeah. I gotta get out this range. Yeah, I gotta get out this range. I can't take no trade in this range. Because once I get the break, I gotta get a break. Once I see a break or structure, then I'm taking my trade. Even though the 4-hour printed, even though we're above this 30-minute, right? We're above this 30-minute. We are below the previous day high. We're above this 30-minute. Who's to say we don't? Who is to say that we continue to go shorter? Who is to say we continue to bounce at this zone? So everybody's trying to figure out where this market gonna go. Dang, I'm really down 12. Hundo. Might have to call it a day, bro. What's up, yo? What's up, Abdul? I might have to take this short, honestly, because I'm liking how that looks on the 5-minute. I'm gonna take it. I'm out of that. All right, I'm out of that. I'm out of that. Quick scout. Quick scout. Man, gotta scout this right now because I missed the big move. Let's go. We still back in this. A little down though, but man. Can we shoot for them lows? Yes, we can. Here come the shorts. They about to get heavy, y'all. Here we go. 2-minute. 2-minute. What y'all thinking? Let me know in the chat what y'all thinking. Let me know in the chat. There's no buys on this tape. Might add more right here. Nah, I'm gonna wait till that. I'm gonna wait till that pop. Wait till that pop. I'm gonna 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 wait till it kind of like do its thing. No buyers on the tape. Come on, no buyers on the tape. There they go to buyers. Here they come. They about to come in and soak up this liquidity probably. Come on, no buyers on the tape. One buyer. Gotta be careful. I'm about to start scalping until we get to some big zones. 5 minutes, still no buyers. Can we go back up, suck into this liquidity? We got an imbalance right here. I'm gonna see if let's get that fill. Can we feel this imbalance right here? See this imbalance. All right, we're tapping to the 30-minute on ES. Tapping to the 30-minute on ES. Might push back into it if we can get that push. I want to see us hit that imbalance at 21,465. Can we get that balance fill? 21. Damn, it's just pushing. Damn, no buys on this tape. I might get the short again. Damn, it's already got me. All right, whatever. Reason why I'm not getting in too fast too, cause I'm lagging too, and my computer's like burning up. Stressful. It's been a stressful day. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's been stressful. Computer's been blowing up, stream been cutting off, and my nerves been bad. I'm down 7, but hey, just gotta let it be. My nerves been bad, y'all. Got a sinus infection. All right, let's see if we can continue to get that drop on that previous day low. I think you're right. I think we continue to go lower though. Let's see if we can get that drop. We don't get that bounce. All right, so we're tapping into this 4 hour, which I'm gonna get rid of. See what we got right here. Anything right here? This is nothing. I don't know what that is. See if they got any more buyers on his books. Nope. 15-minute check. About to see right now, y'all, so I can get into another trade. Got anything right here? Nope. Still looking short. See if we can get that retracement. Still short. Just gotta find a nice retracement. Ooh. We scalping. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start scalping. Start going heavier now. Take my time though. All right, buyers coming in. Can these sellers come back in? See if we got like any points of bounce. Let's see what we got. No, let me look at a 5-minute. Nope. Nothing. Look at the 1-minute. For one buyer. Can we break through that? People trying to buy up. We got a fair value gap right here. See if we can fill that fair value gap and bounce off of it. ES fair value gap. See if we can bounce off that on the 1-minute. Buyers are still in control. Let me see. I don't want to take no shot. We still got imbalance above the fill. Still got imbalance above the fill. Uh-oh. I think the buyer's about to start coming in. I think. 4 minutes into this 15-minute prints. Let's see what we got. Nah, still choppy, still rangy. I should have took my trade when I saw those buys was drying up. I'm waiting. I gotta wait. It may drop, but I just want to make sure that we're really selling. Like this, buyers are drying up before I take that trade. Sellers are adding up. Sellers are adding up. Sellers are adding up. Nope, nah, not trusting it. Not trusting it. Can we go for that previous day low? Yes, we can. Just need more confo. Buyers are coming in. We got the rejection off the 1 minute fair value gap. We got the rejection off this zone right here. I want to see us just break through it. We're gonna see. We're gonna see right now. Buyers coming back in. Sellers on the tape. Sellers on the tape. No, buyers still there. Being patient. I'm just waiting to see if the buyers can keep getting absorbed. If the buyers can keep getting absorbed and we can keep getting these buyers, we can get this sale. That's what I'm waiting on. I'm looking at a higher time frame. 15-minute prints in 2 minutes, which is yeah. 10-minute. Come on. I'm gonna wait 1 more minute. Yes, sir. Let's go. Hey, if count blown, it's blown. I'll buy another one. If we do good, we do good. It is what it is. We gotta have faith, trust in the Lord. You hear me? I'm gonna wait 1 minute. Like I said, trust in the Lord. Trust in the Lord with all of your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, submit to him and he will make your path straight. Glory be to God. Let's get it. Let's focus. See if these books will dry up. But this is a strong level, y'all. It's a strong level. $14 seconds. I'm gonna wait 14 seconds. Wait 14 seconds. 1 minute. Hey, shout out to the chat. Remember, we nothing without God, y'all. So we gonna get this. Are we getting that push up? All right. So 15-minute prints in 40 seconds. We getting that push. But can we get that? Can we get that follow through? Absorb the sellers. Absorb the buyers. I want to see this imbalance get that fill at 460. If we can come back at 460, that would be nice. 460, get the rejection. Wow. 460, get that imbalance fill. That'd be nice. Look at a 5 minute. See if we got anything that's sticking out like a sore thumb. 3 minute. Here come them buyers. Put this right here. Look on that push. Uh-oh. I want to still see this stuff get absorbed. I want to see us touch that imbalance below. That balance above. Nah. 15 minutes just printed. I'm buying it. Can we get that push? Structure shift for sure. Come on. Can we get that push? Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. Let's go. Come on, buyers. Don't like that. Don't like that at all. Might have to get out. I'm saving some. We down 1,000. I'm gonna add more right here. Nah, he gonna sell us. All right, I'm getting out of that. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Ooh, sellers. They trying to trick us out. They trying to trick us out, coach. They trying to trick us out of this. That's crazy. I need to get out of this until this market gives me clarity. I want that big move. Y'all hear me? I want that big move, but I'm just waiting. We gotta get this range. We gotta get this range. I don't like the range we in. Dang. They don't want to give us that move. Is this it for the sellers? I mean, all the buyers? Is this it? Let's see. We don't want to get trapped. I just don't want to get trapped. Structure shift. Like, what do you mean? We going long? We going short? What do you mean, SP? Range bound right now. I think we gotta tap into that liquidity above, and then we get that short. Before we get that bigger move. That move coming. I just gotta wait. Patience is everything. Patience is everything. Get a higher time frame. Make sure I didn't get myself faked out. Nah, I don't trust that. I'm taking that short. Wow, absorbed on us quick. What happened? What the world? What the world? Oh, account blown. Dang, I thought that was the move. Well, looks like I'm about to trade. Guess I'll trade this one then. Dang, y'all. That was a fake out. Nice fake out. Let's get it. Hold up. I'll be right back. I know, but I thought that was the break though. It faked us out. Good fake though. And here comes the move. Crazy. Alright, let's see. Blew the funded, y'all. It is what it is. You smacked your lips?
Yeah, I did.
Hey, you ain't over here trading? I would like to see everybody posting their profits every day. I don't see it.
Don't get smart. Get smart now.
Everybody a market genius until the market started flip-flopping on them. And taking big moves is not being smart in this market. That's crazy. I got soaked up in it too. You about to go?
Yeah.
Alright. Still range. Watch this. Yep, of course. Had to. Wow. Amazing. Sellers on the tape. Wow, that's amazing how they just soaked up like that. I'm gonna hold this short. I'm gonna put my stop above. Yo, give me 1 second. My girl mad at me. I blew my funded account. But it ain't the end of the world, you know? Everybody blows them, even when you don't see them. How many times you don't see people? How many times do you see people post blown account? I probably post mine all the time, literally, all the time. I post mine all the time, but I rarely see any. All I see is 20K payouts, 10K payouts, but you don't see how many blown accounts it took just to get those payouts. Y'all not seeing that. I'm transparent. Tricking people out. At least I'm transparent, and that's all that matters. Definitely in range. All right, so we got another active account. Remember, I don't like buying too many because you see, I blow them. All right, let's get out of this. Let's get out of this. Hold on. Give me a second. I'll be right back. Oh, I ain't make press that. I bet. Set my max on this at 1480. I'll say 1500. I'll do 1500 max. We are in range for sure. That breakout faked me out though, for sure. It faked me out on my PA. That's the truth, guys. I blow my account. It is what it is. It's gone. But hey, just keep on going. I thought the move was gonna come. It's soaking up liquidity right here. It is what it is. Let me know in the chat how many people you seeing posting their blown accounts. How many? No, they want to show wins, wins, wins. You're only good as your last win. But you ain't seeing everybody's win every day. And I have 20 accounts don't mean you're good. How much upkeep does it take to have 20 accounts? You know. You don't know how many professionals have blown their accounts. Some people have done good. Some people have bought a lot of accounts and took a nice big move and then they taking it slow. You know, I've had that happen before. I've had it where I've had a big move, took it slow, and then realized I'm just not doing so well that month or doing so well that week. It happens. All right, let's see what we got. Right here, we're back up into this 30 minute on ES. Right back in this 30 minute on ES. Is this a pump? Are we getting a rejection? Are we going back up for them highs? Are we going long? Is these loans finally coming back in? That's the question. What do y'all think? We're back on Combine. As you can see, we're back on Combine. Transparency. Show me your favorite YouTuber showing their transparency. That's not switching through a bunch of accounts saying that, oh, I'm on live. Oh, I'm on Top Step. Oh, then I'm on, man. I see it so much, bro. Even though it still looks short. I mean, it still looks short to me, you know? It is what it is. You're gonna see me when my accounts up. You're gonna see me when my accounts down. You're gonna see me when I'm blowing accounts, doing good. You're gonna see it all. That's why we here. Are we finally getting this push up? And I think so. Is this, like you say, like SP say, is this a market structure shift? Would you consider this a shift? Are we getting a break? Are we pushing higher? 5 minute, we are pushing higher. Let's see. Man, people, them sellers got absorbed big time, and I was one of them. I was one of the sellers that got absorbed. Shorts can still come in. Don't get it twisted. These shorts can still come in. I'm just letting y'all know that. I don't want you thinking that this is a pump and it's gonna go long. We're gonna tap into some liquidity, but doesn't mean that we're gonna continue to go long. All right, so I got my on Top Step. I got my max at 1,500. I still haven't paid for my Apex account, my Apex PA. I still have that PA that I haven't even traded. Are we about to push into some liquidity? We're gonna see if we're gonna have a rejection right here. See if we get this rejection. Even though it might be pumping off this 30 minute. Let's see. 30 minute. Nice push into that liquidity. Nice push. 43. Can we get this break on the 5 minute? 5 minute fair value gap right here. Just make sure that we're keeping up with these zones. 5 minute fair value gap. We going in, I'm going heavy. So just to keep y'all heads up, like I said, I did blow my account. I'll show y'all the email. I don't think I'm just saying anything. I thought the short's gonna come in. I got faked out and it pumped on us. Can this be a legit market structure shift? Can this be an actual shift? We're gonna see. Come on, computer. There we go. I'll show y'all right now. See what y'all already know how it looks like when you get funded. I think no short's about to come in. Hold up. I might have to get into them shorts, y'all. Oh, it's not showing the screenshot. Oh, there we go. See? Just now, 9:19 a.m. Every trader made mistakes. Funding account blown. Your funding account has been closed. All right, let's get it. Let's get back into this trade. Let's get another account and pass it. Most traders want to go for them big moves. I'm telling you. Not everybody wants to trade all day, every day, and just wait for the trade. We have a zone. We got a 5 minute. See if it respects that 5 minute. If it don't, we'll keep pushing. This is the market structure shift. Let's look at a 5 minute. On a 5 minute, we got the break of structure. Can we get a retest, or are we gonna continue to push higher? I think we can push higher though. I would like to see us retrace back into this spot right here. Let me see if we can get it at 222, at 422. What do y'all think? Let me know in the chat. We're getting that push higher. $30-minute fair value gap. 15-minute push. Clean bounce right here. That was a clean. Actually, that was a really clean bounce. Wow, that was a clean bounce. Wow. Clean bounce right there. 90-minute. $30-minute. Hey, we might get that market structure shit for real. We might see that pump back up to them highs. Might see that pump back to them highs. See if we can get it. I want to get a better entry though. I want to see us get a better entry. If we don't get no big, huge rejection. I'm going short. I'm gonna add more. I'm gonna do 40 in the rejection. There we go. There we go. 1400. Wow. Alright, so next look. So we hit the max today. I gotta take off some because I don't want to put the thing up too high. So we hit 1400, 1500 off this play. One short on a 1 minute. I seen that the buyers wanted to go and tap into some imbalances above. Came to this 5-minute fair value gap, rejected. Got the big play. Let's see if we continue to push shorter though. Like I said, guys, I did blow my funded. See, everybody does it. Blew the funded, hit the max, and now we up on another account. Active account, 1500. But I gotta take off some because I can't trade like that. Let me try to take off some. Hold on, I gotta take this off because hold on. I gotta take off some because I don't wanna push the profit goal. Let's try to take off some right here. Come on. Give me outlight. Alright, there we go. There we go. Dang, if I would have did that on my funded, I should have just waited on my funded and got that trade. Man. So what did I learn again? And know already, what did I learn? Don't trade the range. Don't trade the range. If you get a breaker structure, take that trade. If you get the confirmation, take that trade. No matter if it's risky or not, take that trade. I found myself gambling today. That's what I've learned. But glory be to God. You know, we live and learn. All right. Let me set this still, just in case. I need to get back to it again. All right. Alright, we're respecting this block right here. You know what? Let me do this. Since this count is up 1470, right? Let me see if it's showing it. Alright, we up 1470, right? I blew the funded. We're on a new account. Keep your heads up, keep you updated. We're gonna try to pass this account, get another funded, and do right by it next time. I missed my trade. I literally missed it as soon as the stream started. The stream crashed, and I missed a decent trade to get into the shorts. I was already down 600 earlier, as y'all can see in the other stream. But it is what it is, you know? It happens. It happens. So, yeah. I'm kind of upset because I could have just waited. I should have stayed patient to catch that quick little scalp. Right? I could have been patient to catch that quick scalp, but I didn't. A lot of buyers. See this right here? A lot of sellers are trying to come into this market. See all these sellers? See these wicks? They couldn't push down. When you see wicks like this, you already know the retracement is coming back. The reversal is coming. But you can always get faked out. That's the catch. But usually that's a good indication for a reversal. When you see a lot of wicks like this. I saw that we had liquidity above on a 5-minute. And I wanted to get that retest for a quick short. But them longs came in so fast. Literally so fast. We hit our max today on the combine. Just for anybody new again, I'm going to keep saying it. We blew the funded. Literally just got it. Got it just now. Blew the funded. It's gone. What I've learned is I got shaky. Well, I already knew I got shaky. I was already down. You know, I found myself, my emotions coming out. You know. So it gets a little tricky sometimes, you know. Not everybody gonna show this email that they blew they funded. It is what it is. Also, don't forget they got that 90% that 90% deal on Apex is ending on the 1st. So make sure you go use that code that guy. Or right here. Use code that guy and get an Apex account. I still gotta pay for my PA. I forgot about it because I be having so many different accounts with other prop firms. I be forgetting to pay for the PAs and stuff. Yeah. Now don't get me wrong, I like trading Apex, but streaming and trading Apex has been tough for me because for some reason their platform makes my computer lag a lot. And I only trade on their own. I'm only trading on Apex is when I'm doing it by myself and not with the stream. If I try to trade on the stream with Apex, it gets choppy. It gets so choppy. But with Top Step, it's so basic that it's easily. See how it flows. But with Apex, I can do this and it just lags. So that's why you don't really see me trading Apex a lot on here because the stream would literally start cutting out. But we are funded with Apex though. We're in range right now, guys. Just trying to figure out where we're trying to go. So this market is trying to get more information to see where we're going to go short or long. What we at? Do we got SP in the chat? We got Kingdom still in the chat? You know, do we got Deontay still in the chat? Let me know in the chat, y'all. Who's still in here? Stuck between ranges. I'm pretty sure everybody's kind of upset. If we didn't get this big move right here, everybody could have missed that big move. That was a nice move, by the way. Man, I'm telling you, as soon as that stream cut, that thing just dropped. It's crazy. I would have known as soon as I seen this break, getting the short. Crazy. But good trade, though. All right, so the combine is up 1470. I can't go too far because if I push the profit target, they're gonna just tell me that make more. So the profit target on this account is 3,000. If I go too far, it's gonna go up. So good thing that I only stopped at 1470, so we don't push the finish line too further. But other than that, y'all, I think that's it. I think we in range. We're not seeing no other trades for a good bit. Nah, though, if we stay in this range, I'm gonna have to get off because I'm not. There's no point of sitting around. We already got our profits for the day. Yeah, we range bounding. So we look at the 3-minute. One minute. Can these shorts continue to come in? I don't know. We're gonna see. It's starting to look short on a 5-minute, y'all. Let me see. I'm gonna change this account. I'm gonna change the eligible one. It's a practice count. We're gonna practice on it real quick. We're gonna practice on this real quick. And then I'm gonna get off because I don't want to be on here too long because I already got my profits for the day. Oh, this range. A lot of range. You know what? Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day, y'all. This is it. This is it. We might be in this range the whole time. I hope y'all really enjoy the stream. Give y'all a heads up. Look, scripture right here. We definitely gotta spread that word. So trust in the Lord with all of your heart. Lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him and he will make your path straight. God is giving you that path. He's going to give you the answer, guys. We just got to listen and obey to him. Obey him and listen to him. Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5 through 6, right? Remember this. Also, he is the good shepherd and he lays his life down for us because we are his sheep, you know? God is good. Everything he does is good. Jesus says, Jesus is telling the disciples he is the good shepherd. He knows his sheep and the sheep knows him. So when you know Jesus, he knows us and we know him. We are his flock. And there's many people that's outside of the flock that are not within the flock that haven't even, gave Jesus a chance, but they still need that calling. So Jesus says that he goes out, he leaves all his sheep behind in the pen and goes out for that one lost sheep and make sure that they return because he lays down his life for the sheep, right? Jesus loves us. And remember, we got to put our faith and trust in him, right? So make sure that you're giving your life to God, guys. This is John chapter 10, verse 11 through 18. This is a good read right here. How Jesus is explaining and giving an example on how he is the good shepherd. And he lays his life down for the sheep. He trusts us. He cares for us. He loves us. So make sure that you're giving your life to Christ, right? Lean on the Lord, not on your own understanding, and always in all of your ways acknowledge him, and he will direct our paths. That's Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5 through 6. God bless y'all. I'm about to go ahead and end the stream. I hope y'all have a good one, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.